Today is 6/25/2014. We are beginning to cut our first wheat yield trial plot. We're doing a nitrogen stabilizer test. We've done split applications of nitrogen, and we actually use the nitrogen stabilizer to see if there's any benefits to adding the nitrogen stabilizer on your wheat. Franklin?
Overall, the wheat's looking good in our area. You can definitely tell a difference in where some of these packs are. Like I said, the wheat itself is really looking good. I think we're going to have a real good yield this year, and hoping for a great year.
What we're doing here is catching wheat samples so we can estimate our yield data. I need these samples to be able to collect moisture and test weight. That way I can input those numbers to calculate our yield.
Today we are cutting our second plot. This is an in-furrow test where we've done 4 gallons of in-furrow and 10 gallons of in-furrow. Basically placing that fertilizer directly in the row on our wheat. Stay tuned and follow us on bigyield.us.